Hey, this is Ramey at the UMI Performance Race Shop in front of part number 4008, 1968 to 1972 GM A-body engine mounts. This allows you to put an LS engine in your 68 to 72 late model GM A-body. So 64 to 67 would be another part number. 68 to 72 is this 4008. A couple cool features on this. Of course, we have the traditional UMI heavy-duty construction, available in black or red powder coat. It has greasable polyurethane bushings on the frame side. As you can see, this has clearance for the AC compressor on the lower passenger side. Nice relief there. So if you're running the low mount AC, you can still fit it in your chassis. Double shear mount on the engine, and it gives us nice movement front to rear. We actually keep the crankshaft center line off the ground the same amount as on the small block Chevy or big block Chevy. So we're keeping the engine in the exact factory location, although you can move it fore and aft a little bit to allow for some clearance if you're adding a supercharger or things like that. It comes with premium grade 8 hardware, enough to attach it to the frame and to the engine and the engine mount bolts, so you're good to go there. Really a complete set to put your LS engine in exact factory location in the 68 to 72 GM A-body. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.